We are approaching the MCG. So I brought you back. We're going in for a cricket day, Australia versus India, and we shall film our arrival into the venue. We're going to get off at Batman Avenue, it appears, as though that is the case. So let's get to it. We've got 2.6 k's to go to get off. I think I'll change my lanes and get away from these non-moving cars, sitting in the right lane doing bugger all, hoisting their bits, I'd say. And there's South Yarra in front of me now. There are the buildings of South Yarra and the Como. And how's my speed? Speed's good. Some cameras around here. And there's a drone. Drone taking a picture of the traffic drone, or a helicopter. Don't know if that was a helicopter or a drone. If it was a helicopter, then it was much further away than I'd figured. And here we are, Batman Avenue, left lane only, Batman Avenue. Okay, I think this is it. And there's the city in front of us, Richmond to our right, South Yarra to our left, and the Yarra. We just went over the Yarra, or are going over the Yarra. There in front of us you will see the soccer field, shaped like soccer balls. And now we're going, 1, 2, 3, 4 lanes. I'm going straight on 4. No, I'm going punt right. Oh no, I think I've done it wrong. I think I'm supposed to go that way. Oh no, I think I'm right. Yes, I think this is it. Okay, good. Well, there's the soccer field with the matching soccer ball roof. And we're coming out into Richmond. Punt Road. Here are some of the fields that the many sports are played on. Oh, look at that building in Richmond. What have they done there? Turned some kind of industrial building into a bit of a site. Now, I'm going to think about which side of the MCG are we going on? I think we're going around the right side, is what I think. Alright, let's get through some traffic, through some cars. There's a bottlenecking. So the left lane's not good. Maybe the right lane's good. Not even the right lane's good. Looks like the left lane's better. I'm trying to look for some space for me and my bike. It's going to a red light now. Don't think it matters now what space I pick. We're not going anywhere. Okay. There's the ad.
That's called the Renegades.
Oh, Renegades, right.
Yeah, we got tickets on the 23rd of December.
Right.
To go to the we didn't know that.
Gee, look at that crappy building. My God, that needs some work. Jeez. It's all beat up. Oh, that's the game, I think. Oh no, it's January 4, right. That's later. There's a classic back. I think.
Is it Melbourne Stars versus Melbourne Renegades?
I don't know.
I know it's Melbourne Renegades. I don't know that.
I don't know much about cricket. I just know Australia
I like the red, which means sunburn.
and international. India.
One of my legs are sunburned.
What, sunburn?
One of my legs. Only one.
Oh, your legs. Oh, right. Sunburn. Unlikely. She's got tan skin. Chance of her getting sunburn would have to be a full day and a half, I reckon, for that to happen. Looks like the car's wanting to turn off to the left, so it'll stick to the middle. People walking to the cricket there. That's the Richmond footy ground there. That's Richmond home field. And I could go up that driveway, but no, I'll go through the streets. Through the streets is this way. I could go through the park, but I won't. I'll go through the streets. I'll go this way. Because I know where to go through the street. I'm not sure the park will let me go through. They might have bits blocked off. That could be risky.
We got our hats.
We don't need it. We're going to be in the shade.
Yay!
Yeah, we don't need hats.
Whereabouts in the shade?
In the shade. On the goal end, the other goal end.
Ooh, yeah, we're never on that side.
Yeah.
We're always on the other side.
Door 1. That's door 1. The other goal. City goals.
We're always on gate 4.
Yeah. No, we gate 1 today. Alright, here we go. How long's it going to take this car to turn? Go on, she's past the... Oh my God, look at that. It's like, oh my God, you don't have to wait until she walks right off. It's just when she goes past your lane. That's all it is. Which lane are you picking? He went right lane to go left lane. Alright, so I'm gonna go left soon. Soonish. I could go left now on the on this side. Nah. I'll stay here until it moves. Till I get some movement. Too tight to fight for your right. For a lane. So they're walking. Oh yes, I'll be going up. Left. So gate 1, you got to go down here a bit if you're on your bike. Best way is to go through the road here. at the road. Red lights, I'll use that, thank you very much. Use that to get ahead. We'll be going left up there. People still arriving to the cricket. Oh, surprise, surprise. Whole bunch of Indians going to the cricket to watch India versus Australia. Surprise, surprise. Now, I've got to somehow turn left here, or I can turn left down the bottom. Either way, I won't fight it. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's blocked off with cones. Oh, so I'm going straight. Oh, okay. Fair enough. So I won't be going left here. I'll have to go left down the bottom. If we're allowed. Otherwise, I might have to plonk my bike somewhere. Oh, it looks like we can go left there. Oh, that's good. Now I just got to get a spot to go left. Looks like I'll be able to, because everyone's got their blinkers on. And now I can go left here. And this should take me, I think, to where I want to go. I think there's a one-way street. I think that's what I might want. I might want that one-way street there. Gee, she almost reversed into me. Local traffic only. Well, I'm local. Well, I won't get in the way of local, that's for sure. I'm not local, but I won't get in the way, so I can go. Now let's try some of these sneaky streets. Oh, I should be using my map. Oh shit, so let's see. Oh, is that a one-way? Oh, jeez. Oh, it's a one-way. Will I get away with it? I might be able to get away with it, because there's no cars coming. Yeah, I know. So, if I just sneak it, because traffic is, not really. Oh, there's a whole bunch of motorbikes right there. Look at all the bikes. So, if I go where the bikes are going. Oh yeah, look at the bikes. Yeah, we can join the bikes. Now, they could have parked on there, but they didn't park on there, and now they've blocked it. Could have parked on the dirt. All right, so we'll go up here, and we shall park next to the BMW. And
I need to take this helmet off.
put the lock on. Cool. Cool. Alright, there you go. That's where we're going, gate 1. This is where I leave the bike. And is it safe enough? I think so. Yes. And we shall end the video. So it's go arrived. And then we go there. And catch you later.